Today we'll start the next topic, that is square root of a complex number. Okay, so if we have a complex number z that is equal to x plus I y, and what we have to find out? We have to find out the square root of z. So that will be equal to square root of x plus I y. Okay, now let us suppose square root of x plus I y or square root of z that is equal to a plus ib. Okay, now we have to convert this x and y in terms of a and b. So squaring both sides, what we'll get? We'll get x plus iy, that will be equal to a plus ib whole square, right? Then x plus iy will be equal to a square. So a plus x plus y whole square या a plus b whole square का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? a square plus 2ab plus b square या फिर a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So a square plus ib whole square plus 2 into a into ib. Okay, so this will be the value. So it means what? We can directly write a square and I square b square. I square is equal to -1. So a plus minus 1 into b square plus I into 2ab, right? So this will be equal to x plus I y, that will be equal to a square minus b square plus I 2ab, right? So equating real part and imaginary part both the sides, we will what we'll get? We'll get x will be equal to, that will be equal to a square minus b square, and y will be equal to 2ab, right? So solving the equation both the sides simultaneously, what we'll get? We can get the value of a and b. Okay, so now we'll do one sum based on this concept. Okay, so we have a question. We have to find out the square root of, if z is equal to 6 plus 8i. Okay, so what we have to find out? Find square root of z. So how we'll do this sum? We can directly use this formula, or you can find out also. You can by squaring whatever we have done here, squaring both side and then equating it. So that also you can do. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll directly use the formula, this formula. Okay, so z is equal to this one, we have to find out. It means square root of z, that is equal to square root of 6 plus 8i, right? And it will be equal to a plus ib. And what is the formula? It means if this is x, this is y, ab, so what will the formula? X will be equal to a square minus b square. So that means 6 will be equal to a square minus b square. This is equation 1. And y is equal to, that is 8. So 8 will be equal to 2ab. Okay, so it will be 4. It means 4 will be equal to AB, right? So we can write A will be equal to 4 upon B. Like this we can write. So this will be equation 2. Now putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, what we'll get? We'll get 6, that will be equal to A ka square. So what is the value of A? 4 upon B ka whole square minus B square. Okay, so now we can write 6 will be equal to 16 upon b square minus b square. So that will be equal to, now then b 6 will be equal to 16 minus b to the power 4 divided by b square. So that will be equal to 6b square plus 6b square plus b to the power 4 and minus 16, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so b to the power 4 plus 6b square minus 16 will be equal to 0. Now what we can do? Can we write 16 will be equal to 4, 8 into 2 will be 16. So what we can do? B to the power 4 plus 8b square minus 2b square can be write like this. 6b square को 8 minus 2b square के टर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं ना, 8b square minus 2b square that will be equal to 6b square. Okay, minus 16 equals to 0. Now here we'll take b square common, so we'll get b square plus 8 minus 2 will take common, b square plus 8. Okay, so this way it will be b square minus 2 into b square plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so two values will get for b. What values we are getting? So either b square minus 2 is equal to 0 or b square plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, it means b square will be equal to equals to 2 or b square will be equal to minus 8. So b will be equal to plus minus square root of 2 or b will be equal to square root of minus 8. Okay, that is that will be equal to plus minus I, because square root of minus 1 will be equal to I. Okay, ऐसा होगा, but b is a real number. Always we have to find out a and b जो values हमें मिलेंगे that will be real. So this value cannot exist. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, so we'll take this value. So either b will be equal to minus square root of 2 or b will be equal to minus square root of 2. Okay, we take this value. So a will be equal to, what will be the value of a? A is equal to 4 upon b. So 4 upon b, it means 4 upon square root of 2. So that will be equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so a will be equal to 2 root 2 and b will be equal to root 2. Okay, so what value we are getting for z1? Z, what was the value? Z के लिए 6 plus 8i था ना, तो z is equal to 6 plus 8i. So what will be the value of z? Square root of 6 plus 8i, that will be equal to a plus ib. Okay, and a का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 root 2 plus I into b. b का वैल्यू क्या है? root 2. Okay, so this will be the value. या फिर अगर हम b का वैल्यू -2 लेते हैं, so in that case when we are taking b का वैल्यू -2, if b is equal to minus square root of 2, then a will be equal to 4 upon b. 4 upon b, that is equal to 4 upon minus root 2. So that will be equal to minus 2 root 2. Okay, in this way 6 plus square root of 6 plus 8i will be equal to minus 2 root 2 minus I root 2. Okay, so these can be two values of z. Okay, now if another question will do, what we have to find out? We have to, if z is equal to 2i, and what we have to find out? We have to find out square root of 2i. It means we have to find out the square root of z. So what will the value? First of all, let z is square root of 2i is equal to a plus ib. Now squaring both the sides, what we'll get? We'll get 2i, that will be equal to a plus ib ka whole square. Okay, now again we'll use the formula. 2i will be equal to a plus ib का square के term में when we'll write, we'll get a square minus b square. See the formula here, a square minus b square, and what value we are getting for y? That is equal to 2ab, right? So 2i will be equal to plus I 2ab. This side no real value. Okay, it's 0. It means a square minus b square will be equal to 0 and 2i will be equal to I. So directly we will write 2 is equal to 2ab. Okay, it means ab is equal to 1. Okay, it means a will be equal to 1 upon b. Okay, this value we are getting. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, what we'll get? A square. It means 1 upon b square minus b square is equal to 0. 1 upon b square will be equal to b square. Now b to the power 4 is equal to 1. It means b ka power, b square will be equal to plus minus 1. Okay, then b will be equal to square root of, here we can't take minus 1 because square root of minus 1 will be imaginary number, but here that b should be a real number, so only positive value will take. It means square root of 1. Okay, so b will be square root of plus minus square root of 1. It means b का value either minus 1 होगा या फिर plus 1 होगा. Now we will find out value of a. So a का value will be 1 upon b, that is equal to 1 upon 1, or 1 upon, or a is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So in this way a will be equal to 1, or यहाँ भी here also a will be equal to minus 1. So if b का value is 1, then a का value is 1. If b का value is minus 1, a का value is minus 1. So square root of 2i will be equal to 1 plus I, or square root of 2i will be equal to minus 1 minus I. Okay, so these can be the two values. Okay, so directly we can write square root of 2i will be equal to plus minus 1 plus I. Okay, now so this was all about square root of complex number. Now the next thing that we are going to start, that is quadratic equation, solution of a quadratic equation in complex number system. Okay, so now we have to find out the solution of a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation, we can let us suppose a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a, b and c all belongs to real number. Okay, and a is not equals to 0. It means अगर a 0 होगा तो this ये पूरा complete 0 होगा, then ये फिर quadratic equation नहीं रह जाएगा. Okay, so a must not be equal to 0. Okay, now what will be the solution of this equation? X का value क्या होता है? There will be two values of x minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a होता है ना. So the two values are, एक value होगा minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac, दूसरा होगा minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. In this case यहाँ पे we have to find out square root of b square minus 4ac. ये हम find out करते हैं. It means अगर ये जो square root हमने लिया है, अगर वो negative आता है, if this is a negative value, okay, if this value is greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, it means this value of x का जो roots है वो that will be real. Okay, that will be real number. If b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, it means this value will be imaginary. Okay, एक imaginary number होगा. Why? Because roots of equations जो होगा, in this case if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, in this case roots of x will be imaginary number, complex number. Okay, why? Because square root of किसी भी value का if you are finding out and lesser than 0 मतलब negative number का square root when you are finding out, ये अगर lesser than 0, it means b square minus 4ac is a negative number, तो minus value आएगा. So minus मतलब when we'll find out the square root of minus 1, that is equal to I, that is imaginary complex number हमें मिलेगा. Okay, या फिर we can say one more thing, ऐसे भी हम कह सकते हैं कि if b square, always b square should be greater than 4ac, greater than or equal to 4ac. अगर ऐसा रहेगा then ये equation follow करेगा. It means x के roots जो हैं वो real होंगे. Okay, and अगर b square is lesser than 4ac, in that case roots of x will be imaginary or complex number होंगे. Okay, so now we have a question and we'll do question based on this one. Okay, we have a quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to find out here, a क्या है, the coefficient of x square is a, so a is equal to 1 here. b क्या है, that is also equal to 1, and c क्या है, that is equal to 1. Now what we have to find out, x का value, तो x का, there will be two values of x, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so the two values are what? Okay, so now we'll put the values. So two values are minus b plus minus, okay, हम first of all we'll put the value. Minus b मतलब minus 1 and plus minus square root of b square, that is 1 का square will be 1 minus 4 into a का value is 1, c का value is 1 and divided by 2 into a का value is 1. Now x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, it means x का value will be minus 1 plus square root of minus 3, square root of minus 3 divided by 2 and minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, it means x will be equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So these are the two equations, I mean two values of x, two roots of x. So roots of x are minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. These are the two roots of this equation. Okay. Now another question we'll do. Another a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 13 divided by 2a. So 2 into a का value is 1. Okay, so roots of x will be equal to minus of minus 4 will be equal to plus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 का square will be 16 minus 4 into 13, 13 4s are 52. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, now what we can do, now we'll find out the value. X will be equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16. 52 minus, 16 minus 52 will be equal to minus 36 divided by 2. Okay, so x के roots क्या होंगे? 4 plus I square root of 36 will be 6. Okay, divided by 2 and 4 minus I root 6, sorry, that I 6I divided by 2. Okay, now can we take common, 2 common in denominator and numerator? So we'll get x के 2 roots will be 2 plus 3I and 2 minus 3I. Okay, so these are the two roots of x. Okay, so one more question we'll do now. If we have a quadratic equation x square plus 4ix plus minus 5 is equal to 0, and what we have to do, we have to find out the roots of this equation. So a will be equal to coefficient of x square is 1, b is equal to 4i because coefficient of x is equal to 4i, and c is equal to coefficient of this one. Okay, so that is c is equal to minus 5. Okay, So x का जो वैल्यू होगा that will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we'll put the value. So minus b is equal to minus 4i plus minus square root of b square का 4i का whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, so x will be equal to minus 4i plus minus square root of 4i का square will be minus 16. I का square will be minus 1 and 4 का square will be 16. So it will be minus 16 and minus minus plus. Okay, so 4 into 5 will be 20 and minus minus will be plus. So plus 20 divided by 2. Okay, it means 4 minus 4i plus minus 20 minus 16 will be 4 and square root of 4 will be 2 divided by 2. Now can we take 2 common in numerator and denominator? So we'll get minus 2i plus minus 1 divided by 2. 2 cancel. So there will be two values. Two roots of x will be, roots of x are 1 minus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i. Okay, so these are the two roots of x. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.